ये है एलिमेंट्स जो उसने शेयर किए हैं। कंक्रीट जाली लेफ्ट में फ्लोर 1 एंड 2 के लिए। वुडन लूवर्स जो है वो वुडन हो सकते हैं या वाइट हो सकते हैं। थर्ड फ्लोर का स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो थोड़ी टेरेस बैल्कनी कर रही है विद अ डिजाइन ट्री। व्हाट आई रियली लाइक इज दिस मार्बल ऑन फॉर द पार्किंग, ये ग्रीन।
लेकिन इसने ये पार्किंग में शीशे कैसे लगाए हैं, मतलब ये नहीं मेरी समझ
फ्लोर कम कैसे हो रहे हैं?
फ्लोर कम कैसे हो रहे
फ्लोर
हैं?
पूरे हैं,
कैसे
फ्लोर
पूरे
पूरे
हैं?
हैं।
तीनों फ्लोर हैं।
मेरे हिसाब से वो टॉप वाला जिम नहीं है,
वो
वो तो मेरा वाला फ्लोर है।
सबसे टॉप।
हाँ, उसके ऊपर टेरेस है ना।
तो तेरा कमरा इतना पीछे कैसे चला गया? आई डोंट लाइक द louvers. What's the use of having if you're covering it with louvers that badly? What's the use of having big windows?
Some other references is the building, contemporary style, modern contemporary, rustic, colonial. This is most Chandigarh style.
So okay, I'm okay with even the ones that she sent. These ones तो not at all. At the last, but then जो वो louvers हैं वो बहुत कम हो. Like they shouldn't cover most.
Louvers as in वो wooden या
हाँ, वो-
rustic जाली?
जो वाइट कलर की जाली है उसकी।
वो पापा कह रहे एक बेडरूम की बिल्कुल खिड़की वो हो जाएगी।
नहीं, मिडिल में भी नहीं मजा आया।
Not the
Concern क्या है? मैं उससे क्या रेस करूँ concern?
Why would you want jali in front of a room? You're covering it up. What's the use of having open balconies? Like इतनी बड़ी windows होने का ही फायदा क्या अगर तुम जाली से कवर कर रहे हो?
But अगर partially covered हो जाली से, I don't think it's an issue. इतनी बड़ी window हमारी वहाँ पर है।
Partially भी ना cover करो, but the other concern you have to be aware
इसने आगे
of
grill
जाली
लगाई ना, कैसे
में
लगेगा?
जाली सफाई कैसे होगी?
See that you will have to, but these jalis give a very good look. ये कंक्रीट की जाली है तो इसमें डस्ट रहेगी भी, तो ऐसे क्या फर्क है?
कंक्रीट की जाली नहीं है बाबू।
उसने लिखा हुआ है
White concrete जाली। तो अगर ये concrete जाली है तो ये फाइन नहीं होगी, ये बहुत मोटी होगी। And how is concrete जाली?
वो बात कर लेंगे उससे।
और दिखाइए जो और फसाड आए थे, ये बीच वाला
ये तो
दिखा।
नॉर्मल यूएस के जो अपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं वैसा है। एंड ये कॉलोनियल डिजाइन है जो थोड़ा सा वो बिल्डिंग है। We also get the electrical layout, so let's have a look at that. So this is the electrical layout.
ऊपर करना जरा।
So we'll spend time studying this now.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल।
एंट्री, लिफ्ट, बेडरूम, टॉयलेट, ये तो बहुत रेगुलर है लेआउट जो इस रूम का है। Now this is where it gets interesting. चौथे, this is like the living room, dining, kitchen, and you see this fireplace between the two windows on the right. And she's given seating there. I think this is a very cozy thing. And she's given kitchen पे counter, जैसे ये counter है. You saw those you see those chairs?
Yeah.
So this has become sort of a counter, and वहाँ भी living area, dining, kitchen सब common है. And then huge walk-in closet. उसके utility becomes the walk-in closet. इन्होंने I think kitchen छोटी की है.
ये तेरा फ्लोर है?
हाँ.
अच्छा हाँ।
Then toilet सामने, and then bedroom इतना बड़ा.
I would like a revision to your. I like the idea, but I would want a revision to your other room. Like right now, it's too tiny.
Make the bathroom a bit bigger.
Yeah, because ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तेरा सेक्शन इतना अच्छा है, but तेरे गेस्ट के लिए इतना गंदा हो. Like तेरे गेस्ट के लिए इतना छोटा रूम हो, सब कुछ हो.
Good morning. YouTube's got my sleep schedule so messed up, man, but we'll have to figure something out. For now, let's just go have breakfast with the fam.
जिसने आज वाला साग नहीं खाया कभी नहीं खाया।
So this mustard's from Nar that I got, and it's pretty good. But ऐसी mustard हम घर पे बना सकते हैं। Jasmine बना ले।
Also, as you saw in yesterday's video, this is something that I'd called for. Very warm and just looks easy breezy, right? So good. This is the sort of stuff that I love to wear on a daily basis. It's actually a perfect fit, bro.
है ना? I'm gonna order more of these.
You have the articles now, so
Yeah, I haven't taken out.
it looks warm and it looks good.
Yeah, like I like wearing such clothes at home. They're comfortable.
But the thing is, if you get comfy in these clothes, na, it's very hard to go back to normal clothes
Jeans and all.
because बहुत आदत पड़ जाती है गंदी.
But तभी तो मेरा आजकल मन नहीं करता कि जब मैं बाहर भी जाती हूँ, I don't feel like wearing jeans any longer. बेइज्जती कर रहे यार, सबको आदत है बेइज्जती करने की.
यार मैंने गलत कहा यार।
अच्छे कपड़े और वैल्यू फॉर मनी भी है.
I'm gonna order some more sets.
ओके बाय।
You wanna say on video and commit?
Yes,
क्या?
I'm gonna do 75 hard from January.
जनवरी कौन सी? 1. और अगर फेल हो गई तो पब्लिकली एडमिट करेगी.
और क्या?
देख ले अब.
Maybe the public shame will help me avoid failing at it.
So that's what happened to me. That's why I didn't fail, because I was accountable to people.
Huh. I think I should do that.
हाँ, थोड़ी सी.
Because I did it once and then I failed
Twice.
twice after that.
हाँ. So
And I don't know why it became so difficult. when
because
you've
you
done
gave
it.
yourself the option of failing.
Yeah, pehle time also I posted online na, that I'm doing 75 hard.
हाँ. करो फिर.
Maybe accountability is a good thing.
Yeah, buddy, lightweight. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. पर एक रोप ले आएंगे यहाँ ट्राइसेप पुश डाउन के लिए. और कुछ?
इसका वो जो ये मशीन वाले थे इसने ऑयल नहीं दिया उसका यहाँ पे लगाने का, ये तो थोड़ा ना रफ करके चलती है थोड़ी ना.
मैं नंबर दूँ उसका?
हाँ
बात करो.
हाँ.
Okay, so we have this trade running, we discussed it the other day, and that's in a 40-45% profit. And the greatest thing is, when do you sell it? So mark some rules. Number one, if the stock is above the 5 moving average, don't think of selling. When it breaks the 5 moving average, you can sell about 50%. When it breaks the 10 moving average, you can sell the remaining 50%. Or if you want to stay in the trade for a longer period of time, you can use the 5, 10 and 21. 33%, right? That way you're never out of the stock all at once, because that is going to create a lot of FOMO, a lot of regret, and we don't want that going forward. Why do we use these sell rules? Because in a healthy market, the stock won't come below the 10 moving average for a long time. There's a lot of examples out there. Check out CDE and you'll see how beautifully that's gone. And of course, Cupid also has gone very well. But let's check out this stock that we're talking about. Okay, there you go. Because the stock is functioning very normally above the 5 moving average on the daily time frame, there is no reason to sell. Yesterday, this candle was pretty scary. I honestly would have booked a bit of profits because the stock came down about 11% from the highs. But I would have, and Jasmine didn't. She follows her rules pretty religiously and she's very detached from the whole process. She's certainly more stoic than I am. So today it's up. If it went down, we would have lost out on a bit of profit, but that's fine. Follow this rule long term and you will see a lot of reward. Follow rules long term and then study the data and draw conclusions and then refine the process. That's how we're gonna go about this. Alright, lunch looks pretty good. पहले तो मुझे जिम जाना था, but अब मैं पहले लंच कर रहा हूँ आज, फिर जाऊँगा. इसके साथ वीडियो बनाने बैठ गया. चल भी नहीं रही.
कुछ नहीं होता.
Yum. Yeah, talk about your experience over the week of doing 75 hard. But every week you have to do it. So 70 days, at least 10 videos have to come out.
Because doing one every day will not be feasible.
You're setting yourself up for failure. वो मेरे जैसे वेले कर सकते हैं.
कह रहा मेरे जैसे भी.
Oh, and I ended up taking a nap. The greatest nap of 2025. Body will definitely be very well rested. Now let's chill for a bit, hit the gym. Oh God, truly feel like the holidays. No work is being done. Hi Gags. Gagu. Also massive thanks to Guryash for sending this bottle. What a nice gesture. And it is a good bottle as well. Metal. Appa zarur use karange. What a beautiful bottle this is. Now we're researching hotels for Singapore. Let's see how this hotel is. Ma Papu also going to someone's place. It'll be a good time to work out. The greatest achievement isn't just showing up today. I'm going to do a very simple workout. Easy peasy 40-45 minutes and then be out of here and celebrate showing up. That's the plan. Alright, this is another workout done, but the logic remains the same. The farther you go from your enabling systems, the more friction you have to encounter. You'll still end up working out, but the friction is going to be massive. So to reduce friction in life, you need to develop enabling systems, which means You don't need more motivation in life to do the basic things like praying and turning up at the gym. You don't need more motivation, you need less friction, and you need to systemize your life in such a manner that the friction is minimal, and that's when you can get started with a consistent 2026. Chala, see you tomorrow then. Time for a shower and keep doing the basics over and over again.